Get ready to experience the ultimate student living at Grand Central Liverpool, the accommodation that ticks all the boxes. Situated in the heart of the city, this place boasts some of the most spacious and chic ensuite, non-ensuite, and studio apartments in town. Each room is fully furnished with all the essentials you need for a comfortable stay, including a cozy bed, ample storage space, a sleek and modern bathroom, a study desk, and more. Need a break from studying? Take advantage of the super fast Wi-Fi and spend a day binge watching your favorite shows, or hit the exclusive on-site gym to stay in shape. And when hunger strikes, grab a snack from the convenient on-site vending machine. And the best part, your rent covers all utility bills, so you can relax and focus on your studies. With both the University of Liverpool and John Moores University being just a short 10-minute walk away, you can enjoy a leisurely morning and still make it to class on time. And when you're ready to explore the city, the endless options for shopping, dining, and entertainment are right at your doorstep. When it comes to education, it's not just about the books, it's also about the life experiences. And we want you to make the most of them while staying at Grand Central Liverpool. To book your stay, visit amberstudent.com today.